gentlemen, welcome to the Late Night Show. Hey, we love you. We love you. You far to come, man. What? Excuse me. What?
What's going on?
What's going on? What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on? All right. Okay. See, your video will go play for now today. Okay, good evening, friends. Everybody all right? Your day makes sense. We're done. But your video will play for giving now today. We're going to be the judge of this video. Whether I will call the boy, beat him, or make we encourage her to continue in the ministry of music. Maybe there's still hope somewhere for the hopeless. We don't know. But somewhere in the midst of today's show, we'll go play the video and we'll go decide about ourselves. Easy bit. When they worry you, you can't make it be like say it's too bad like that. Don't give out the secret yet. My name is Agbalo. Thank you. And the attitude for the introduction these days. You understand? You go, wow! We should change that thing. Just call. Come Iron Man, you understand? So kind ginger. They try to improve on the show just to make everybody know the ginger. They enjoy the whole level. On the ones and the twos.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
We're not going to understand it until we play the video. Oh, God. Then I want to just say, let's hear your pose off finish. As you would like this true, I just say, let's hear your pose off. But it won't mess me up with your rubbish. Anyway, how that day okay? Welcome everybody. And I hope so that day go very, very beautiful. The late night show not sit down here again. Of course, the night father don't day here. May all of us carry gist enter the next level. On top of Wazobia TV things. And every, all right, so sit back, relax. We'll enter Coco of the Day. Right after this, we'll bring two correct bad guys in the industry. Come on top of the show, question and of course performance back-to-back things. All right, so sit back, relax. Coco number one. Okay, I know how they stupid like this. I say we chop something different. How much hit what kill me?
Oh, hey, you see yourself.
I go wear black for my mind, man. This is fashion.
Yes,
I don't say that they suffer for this,
Yes,
hey, on my head now they sweat. Woo! But even as here cold rich. But anyway, easy. No time say I just try today.
Until
I dey go on dates from this show.
Okay.
So I just did the thing with us from so how you doing? All right.
Okay, and now you can't show what's to be before I don't understand.
It's even not pure. Okay, I just show the full.
You just can't show.
So now that's how this. I just like this now. Pozano one abi. Mo done now.
Forget.
After Coco of the Day. After Coco of the Day.
If you don't after Coco of the Day, the gist go see the hot. Mo done. Okay, before Coco of the Day. So when I say the tell now before now say we this year now our year. You understand? We the hustle everything. Presenting modeling. Straight up.
Modeling. We the model fire.
Straight up.
You understand? So for those of now I don't know, pose 101 right about now. Easy bitch, you ready?
Yes.
Pose 101. So one more time, Coco number one. All right, so now based on La Lovio things, for those of you who don't know La Lovio actually mean copulation.
Collaborate.
In biological terms.
Yes.
Now, copulation.
Collaborate.
Yes. Collaborate. That one. Collaborate. And suppose they call her wipe.
Wipe, yes.
They call her knack.
Yes.
Shag.
Piliam.
Piliam.
Yes.
Feel ya. What's that one again?
Just chop.
Chop. Okay. Then I love you.
I love you.
Okay. So now, this woman now, she just go drink one medicine, 51 years old woman. 51 years old Maleo. 51 years old. He go brush her husband. What's it cause her? He said the husband no gree touch light. He can't see me say last she go drink something we can't go increase her ginger for her body. So uncle wey just carry remote control, they watch TV, they watch sports. She come dey call am, honey, please, I'm in the mood. Guy say forget, well, you will die there. I know see the woman picture. Now the woman carry different things. See what she carry, come dey knack the man. She beat the guy, beat am. Police come the house, come see blood everywhere. They carry the woman come out now. The woman say, it's just a ginger, just a worry me. I just want to do something quickly, but my husband no agree. He no agree attend to my condition. As he be like this now, I don't know when I carry instrument, knock her for head, boom. Beat am, the man, I know say for that side now, if you don't want to enter trouble, no retaliate.
Yeah,
you said go raise hand.
They don't beat you.
You said don't enter trouble too. So they charge that person, they charge your own follow for back. If you like, say self-defense, what do you have to prove to it? Say no, be you first attack him. You understand? So now so their own court matter they be. But police come chook mouth, say the woman come got to spend time inside jail small. So which goes out to everybody for outside there. Before you drink medicine of ginger, make sure say your partner is in alignment with your plan. Not be say all those bros there, you go they drink brighter shit. Or you can go take Viagra. Because they say, today, I go kill her. I go show and say, today, now maybe the man today, you will die. You can't go do next week, she just call you. Baby, actually, I cannot make it. And you can't go get cat for us. Only you do the cat like this. You be like that boy will catch you. Will catch you. The cat will look you. Because if you catch them, so please make sure say your partner everything done day in accordance with the plan for the evening. If not, my brother, you buy soap. So, all right, cocoa number 2.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
All right, now different country and their own kind of practices. Okay. You know, for Africa here, we get our own kind of beliefs. And inside Nigeria alone, so we'll get different culture, different religion, different things. Okay. So everybody believe their own way, their own God, they answer them. Right. Christians, you got to fast, do some kind of things. Muslims, Muslims say to fast, and okay, almost every religion they fast though. But aside all that one, every tradition, culture, they get their own way, they take call on their own God. All right, but for inside India, their own, for inside India, for their own God to answer them, you know what's in the men they do?
No.
You go lie down for ground, for where plenty cow they pass. So all the cow go climb una. They climb una like that. Based on your injury, now God go tell answer your prayer. Hi. Who am I to say what are they doing? Who am I to say it actually? See lying down, no. You lie down for road, cow go climb you. They say no. They say so far nobody don't die for the matter.
So they get what they want.
Until they get what they want. Until the cow. Some people they carry the cow and they come. So cow can just climb you. Big. You come to find injury. Only you can find injury for your body.
So if you know injury,
it not wound me. That means your prayer never starts. You answer to see answer. So if you go wrong, go to the front again. Please, use your horn. Just knock me small. Based on the injury and the healing of the injury. Now your answer on the, answers to your prayers on the come. My brother, no person can go there in India when they come say this kind of thing they happen and you must do it. No, the African in me will come out.
Lord.
We where they slice cow for you to shop. They say cow can't go they climb me for waiting. But any which way, now their own practice for that place and now be this. So just for here they teach you some kind of things too. Every country and their own religion and their own tradition and their practices. All right. So this one for India they happen. Central India, Madhya. I don't know, sorry. No be Legba. Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Blackface. Blackface.
Starboy.
Blackface. Blackface can cry, come out. Let's say
cry out.
Yeah, no. You say before blackface, then they cry.
Yes.
Then they always shout. Then this Martin. This Martin. Small time do then be 2, later become 3, then all of us they pity him. No say depends on the pity what they pity you and they hammer, they blow. So you just say, we need one sorrowful song for this show. Call Face. We go call Face, Face will come. Hello, then leave me. Make I help perform. You call Clem, say, before I know it, Face on the show video.
Money don't enter.
Money don't enter, money don't call the picture again. Before I know it, you will not see Face again.
Voice on crack.
But now, Blackface. Always like that year, they say now they write songs for John Boys that year. They say now they write songs, now they compose. But two Baba, now be the face of the group. Now be their own. For every group, you know, say one person. Now be the star boy for the full group. So Two-Face now be the star boy that year. You know, anyhow you want to talk, now be the star boy. Blackface don't come out now, come they shout again. New shouts now. See for Twitter, all this is the way you can talk, say Two-Face do. Say Two-Face don't thief in song go. He say, okay, why not ask that you want to record my song? I was out in the wilderness. And you never called because you wish me dead. So my properties be yours at Official 2 Baba. Suddenly your manager at Efe Omorigwe is a songwriter on my song. So you can split publishing 4 ways with Bridget Kelly with my name misspelt. Since she decided to hide, you know I still let you know a piece of my mind at Official 2 Baba, and we'll meet in court about my publishing. We shall meet in court. Now the truth be say, more know yours because maybe because 2 Baba now all of us celebrate now and all that. We not go sit down for that side. Yeah. You understand? We don't know the agreements. Okay. We don't know whatever they happen for back. Yeah. Maybe actually they write in the right song they give Two-Face. Maybe actually some of them don't say, okay, oh, see, as a missing I'm in different now based on 2 Baba levels. You see the right songs for me. I'll see the square you some kind things from based on that. Let me say, you know, my guy from that year means I'll come the chop from the you guys to work some kind of work. So we don't know the agreement though. You get, but at the same time, I don't feel say some things supposed to stay in the open like this. You understand? Because now you gonna be like say, forget that you know guy want to look at. Two-Face don't already spread for the whole world.
Don't spread.
So the fans wait outside there say, if you like come and come talk to you like this, nobody go see send you.
They don't listen to you.
You understand? You know, but I don't know the day, because people want to finish on Twitter now. They want
because they don't know him now.
No, nobody knows. Wait, happen. You know, but people, this one now, the only song they call people mind now, it's a hard life where we they live for Nigeria.
So people don't even know.
People know, some people say, who are those? Please, is that Olamide's and that brother? People, these Nigerians are wicked. Yes, they won't kill her for Twitter. If we see talk, only girl you look say, hey, why go talk? Why go to? Who send message? You know, but we don't know the agreement. So if people say 2 Baba self wrong, if people say 2 Baba wrong,
we don't know.
We don't know. You understand? So, but last, I feel say some things handle them for privacy. This one, everybody fight now.
My brother.
Everybody fight.
January,
only January.
Only January.
Fight. But
there's a good work.
Dami Crane, Wizkid. Dami Crane and Wizkid.
And
Wizkid.
They say they ring bottle.
Before now, Wizkid Davido. Now Dami Crane and Wizkid. Olamide and
back to back.
Those ones, they just launched the year with back. So I say Olamide, this guy don't cost now. Me now, they find Jim Ike now. If I bite in ear, Otedola we just call separators. Can't give us transport fare, go out. You know, that's how we roll now. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, now here come on to top cocoa of the day. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.